SAT example number 99 is asking for the value of D. That'll make that equation true. Well, if you look at the equation, you've got a left-hand side which looks kind of complicated, but the final product of those two things has to equal 0. So somehow, what value of D is going to make that equal to 0? Well, we can just go down the list. If you plug 0 in for D, you don't really have to plug it in everywhere. You can just kind of observe, well, yeah, D plus 4, that's 4. But you're going to plug a 0 into that D, so you get a 0 on the top of that fraction. A 0 on the top of the fraction makes the entire fraction equal to 0. 0 times anything is 0, so 0 definitely works for D. Now, considering the other choices, if you look down the list, the other options are including a 7 and or negative 4. But if you think about it, if you put 7 in that second fraction that I've got circled there, if you put 7 in for D, 7 minus 7 is 0, you get a denominator of 0, which you can't have, it's undefined, so 7 is not going to work. And if you put negative 4 in that second fraction again, if you put negative 4 in for D, negative 4 plus 4 is 0, you get a 0 in the denominator, cannot do it. So negative 4 and 7 are eliminated. The only choice which is going to work is 0. 0 will make that entire left-hand side equal 0, so our answer is A.